Custom fields are powerful tools that help you organize your data exactly how you need it. And now there's even more flexibility. You can create custom fields specifically for posts, just like you can for people and organizations. In this lesson, we'll show you how to create custom fields for posts, control when fields appear using tags, set default values for different user groups, and make fields required. Let's dive in. First, navigate to Settings and find Custom Fields under System Management. You'll see all your existing custom fields for each feature. Select the tab Posts to find your post custom fields. We haven't set any of these up yet, so we'll be presented with the option to first create a new section to assign our custom fields to. Select Add New Section and give this a name. For this example, I'll call this Proposals. These section names don't show up anywhere else, but they are helpful for keeping your fields organized, so it's easy to find and manage, as this can get a little busy. To add a new field, expand this section and select Add Fields. I want to have a field on our posts where we can store SharePoint links to the proposals, so it's easy for everyone to access. Let's select Smart URL and call it SharePoint Link. I'll also add another for follow-up date where we can record the date we expect to hear back. Perfect. Now, if we go over to a prospect's profile and add a post, we'll now see these fields at the top of the post. This is nice, but only those sending out proposals need to see this, and we don't want to annoy everyone else in the team with unnecessary fields. So, what can we do? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's go back into the settings and explore how. Find the custom field you just created and select the Settings cog to edit it. Turn on Control Visibility. This is where it gets fun. With this enabled, you can control when a custom field appears by linking it to specific tags. We have a post tag for proposals, so we'll set this field to show when post tags contain proposal. Because this information is critical, we'll also make this field required. This means whenever the field is visible, you can't submit a post without filling it in. Let's save this and do the same for follow-up date. Except this one isn't required because sometimes we won't have this information. What makes this even more powerful is that it all works with user group default tags. Fields appear automatically based on your team's user groups. So everyone assigned to sales might automatically get this tag applied to a post and see this field. Is it automatic or just magic? Either way, it's really cool and really efficient. Before we leave the settings, there's one more thing I want to show you. You can also set default values for custom fields based on user groups. For this, you'll need a different field type, such as a select. Here's how it works. I've added a select field for sign-up likelihood. Open the options drawer and you'll see a default values option for this field type. I'm very confident in our sales team, so I want the default to be high. Select Add Default Value. Choose the sales team from the user group dropdown and set this to high. Note that if you add multiple user groups and a user belongs to more than one with different default values, the order matters. The topmost option takes priority. However, for multi-select fields, if you're a member of multiple groups, you'll get all the default values from both. Now, let's go back to our profile. When we create a new post, we see a regular post, but when we add the proposal tag, our new fields appear instantly. Simply incredible. That's it. Custom fields for posts give you complete control over your data. You can create fields that appear based on tags and user groups, or fields that show on every post. You can set default values, make fields required, and organize everything in a way that makes sense for your team. It's flexible, powerful, and designed to fit your workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to get the most out of SwiftFox.